and it's all down my jumper. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming a video which I have been dying to film. I have literally had these Primark makeup products in a bag for like 4 days, and it's been so hard to not reach in and try things. So today I'm going to be testing these products. I've never used Primark makeup before. I haven't used any of these products, and you're going to get some tea and see what the good products are and what perhaps they aren't, which ones are rubbish, which ones are good. So keep watching if you want to see this look here. Hi guys, so I've zoomed you right in to my face. I'm gonna put my ears on. I actually ended up getting 2 primers. I ended up getting this one, which is called the Glow Illuminating Skin Primer, and this is what it looks like, and this was £3, so I'm gonna do that on this side. And then I also picked up this one. This was £3.50, and this is the Prep and Perfect Skin Illuminator. So we'll try that as well. So let's start with this one. Why did I not take any of the packaging off? Like, do I not learn my lesson? Seriously. This has the strangest applicator. So this comes out like white. So let's give this a go. So this feels like a cream, like a face cream. It's very, very smooth. To be honest, it just feels like a face cream. I wouldn't say it's added any glow or anything like that. It just feels like a face cream. It's not tacky. I mean, my skin feels lovely. It feels like I've used a really nice face cream, but I mean, it's called an illuminating skin primer. I wouldn't say it's really done much in terms of that. So we'll try this one now and we'll see what this one's like. So this one's different because it comes out gold. Oh, this is very nice. Very illuminating. You can see, I'm gonna put it all on. You can see, like, look how glowy. When I first put it on, it was quite extreme. It's starting to now set into the skin, and it's made my skin feel again like moisturized. Not tacky, not sticky, just quite soft actually, and quite nice. So actually that one is my fave. Next is foundation. Now there was a couple of foundations, but I thought I'd go for one of the more pricier foundations. So this is the My Perfect Colour Double Coverage Matte Foundation, and this says it's a long wear matte finish, oil free with SPF 15. So I really didn't know shades. I got light beige because again I do have a little bit of a colour. They did have some other foundations, but they were all like medium to full coverage. This seemed to be the most full coverage. Oh, does it have a cap on? I'm trying to get it out and it's got a cap on. It has a nice smell. Do you know what it smells like? Just like the Estee Lauder Double Wear. So I didn't buy any brushes, so I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. stippling brush. Again, all the products will be listed below. This is what it looks like on the hand. Let's give this a whirl. Okay, so the colour for me is good. It's a nice cover. It might oxidize, so we'll see, because sometimes I've heard that these Primark foundations can go a little bit orange. So it feels quite lightweight. It's not heavy on the skin. Very mattifying actually. You can see that it is oil free. So if you've got oily skin, this is going to be amazing for you. And then I'm just going to go over it with my beauty blender. I've got it in my hair. Push my hair back and still get it in my hair. I really like that foundation, guys. That is really good. Very, very similar to the Estee Lauder. So perhaps if you're looking for a less expensive dupe, then go grab this. So the next thing I'm gonna do is my brows. The only brow pencil that I could seem to find was this one, and it was reduced, so it was £7, but I got it for £3. And it's the eyebrow pencil in shade 321. It looks like this. This is the packaging, and this is the eyebrow pencil. Now, color wise, I have no idea. I think it's probably not gonna work out. Oh, it's not turning up. Okay, so someone's actually broken this, so it doesn't work. Okay, so the brow pencil is a fail. Sorry about that, guys. So I ended up just filling in my brows with my usual Revolution brow pencil. The next thing is a concealer. So this again was £6, reduced to £3, and this is called the Fluid Concealer in shade 330. This is what it looks like. It's quite nice packaging. you get quite a decent amount. The wand is quite small, so let's see. Oh, the product itself is quite watery, but I'm not gonna put a downer on it yet. Let's just see what it can cover. It's okay. It's a nice concealer. It's added a bit of brightness. I mean, for the price, it's good, but I do kind of feel like, I mean, for example, the one that I got from Revolution the other day, which is in my other makeup tutorial, that was the same price, and it's probably like 3 times the coverage. So I wouldn't say this would be a product I would reach out for. It is lightweight, so perhaps if you're looking for just something quite light to be on your face and quite natural, this would be a good. But I wouldn't say this is one of my favourite concealers that I would reach for every day. So the next thing I'm going to do is try a palette. Now, I loved the shades. This is the Naked Truth palette, and this was £4. Are the shades. So I'm going to start off by taking this colour here. I'm going to take now this colour. But yeah, these are very, very, very pigmented, which that's what we want. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this colour because I'm intrigued. Oh, that's a nice colour. That's just like a nice gold colour, like a bronze. Really nice colour. So then the last colour that I'm going to take in the palette is this colour here, which I'm going to use as a highlight. That's a really nice palette, really nice. I would definitely come back to this palette and use it again. I'm going to put it down for a second. So the next thing that I'm going to do is cream contour. So I got 2 of the foundation and contour sticks. The contour shade I got in Rich Espresso. Well, she's pigmented. I'm just going to start off by trying to blend this with a foundation brush. So it's actually blending out really nice. I like the colour because I like a contour that's very cool shaded. I wasn't sure, but now I've gone in with the Beauty Blender. I would say it's blended in a little bit more. I used way too much. You do not need a lot of this product. It's so pigmented. Yeah, it's done. It's nice. I like that. Again, I'm not like the biggest fan of cream contour, but if it's something that you're into, that's a really nice contour stick. This might be a little bit orange actually. Oh no, it's not too bad. I'm gonna put this on here and also on this blemish. Blends in really easily. I mean, I've just took my Beauty Blender to blend this in. Guys, I really like these. These are really good. If you're looking for contour sticks, foundation sticks, anything like that, these are really good. They're really lightweight, but they're just really pigmented, really pigmented. So again, I couldn't find a powder, so I'm just gonna go in with my Fit Me powder and just set the face. So now I'm gonna finish my eyes. So again, I couldn't actually find an eyeliner, so I'm just gonna put that under my eye quickly. And then I'm gonna take the palette again, and I'm going to take a smudge brush and I'm gonna go back in with this color here. I did find a mascara. This one's £2.50 and this is the HD Fanatic mascara. Now, I love the packaging of this. It's okay. Yeah, I wouldn't buy that mascara again. It's okay. The brush itself looks amazing and it's like really thick, but when you actually put it on your lashes, the mascara doesn't stick to the lashes. It kind of just lands under your face. I'm just going in with my normal autograph one that you guys, if you watch my channel videos, you'll know I love. Don't get me wrong, that mascara may be okay if you've got natural lashes to put on your tops. Obviously, I'm not doing that because I have Russian lashes on. Crazy. Should we use this for contour? let's do it. I'm gonna take this colour. Let's do it. Let's just go for it. Let's try it. You never know these things until you try. It's actually come out all right. Yes, I suppose if you wanted to save money and use it for contour as well, it's also really good for contour. So I'm going to take my NYX lip liner in shade Nude Beige. Then the lipstick that I found, which was like the only one I could find, is the Luster lipstick in the shade Barely There. Relatable. This was 90p, so well cheap. This is what it looks like. I think this is going to be a bit light. It's a bit light. It's okay, I'll go over with my lip liner. Very moisturising though. It's very feels like almost you've got a lip balm underneath. It also kind of tastes like vanilla. Like, it's very pleasant. Okay, so the final products I've got are my favourite. I'm so excited. So I got two highlighters. I got the PS Frosted highlighter. I just could not resist because look at it. I mean, the camera's not even, there we go, look at that. So we also couldn't resist this one. This is called Ultra Glow Highlighting Powder. Take my highlighter brush. Let's try this first. Oh, too over the top. Like in person it's nice, like it looks more natural, but it also is very glowy. Let's try this. Let's give this a go. Yes, really good, but they do let off two different types of glow. So like this one is more of a pearlescent, whatever that word is. It's more of that. It's got like a white kind of shade to it, and it gives that on the face. This one, I think for me, because my skin tone and because the gold in it, it picks up better on my natural skin tone because it doesn't leave like a white residue. I would also say this one is a bit more pigmented as well, so if I was going to pick out the two, I'd pick this guy here. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will put some close-ups at the end so you can see what it looks like. Any questions, please let me know. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will list all of the products below. And yeah, let me know if you've tried any amazing Primark products that I haven't tested today. See you in the next one.
Darling, your dreams are duration. You took my heart, I'm a keys and my patience. You took my heart, I'm a sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I offer you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never think. Wake up and nothing's wrong.